Hey everyone, I hope you're good, and once again welcome back to my new video. So in today's video I'm going to talk about on a very serious topic. The topic is thinking big. Yeah, this is the topic for today's video. I know so many people already heard these topics, and some of you guys already know what is this thing and what is the benefit and what is the not benefit of this topic. So again I'm going to talk about on this boring topic. I would say this is not boring topic, but this is very serious topic. If you have courage, if you have little bit courage to listen this video, so please watch this video till the end. Because nowadays people are this much addicted to shorts and reels that they are not able to they are not capable to watch 10 minutes videos, 5 minute videos, even 2 3 minutes videos, because they just want to get information in just 1 second, in just 1 minute, that's it, or in just 30 second, 40 second. How is it possible to give you information, or I would say very good information in just 1 minute? Obviously we can give that information in just under 1 minute, but the quality will be not like the 10 minutes video, which like the quality cannot be compared by the 10-minute videos versus 1 minute videos. It will always good to watch long videos so that your neuros, you know there is a thing which applies neuroscience, neuron, which builds habit or which breaks habits. If you build a habit of watching long videos, so it would be best for you guys. Because see, if you want to do the best thing in the life, or if you want to do the above average or the good thing in life, so you have to do above average thinking, you have to have the above average thinking, you have to have the above average habit. And building above average habit, you need to understand, you need to read, you need to listen podcasts, so many, you have to watch so many videos from different kind of people who has already done it and who has already doing and going on your path right now you're taking, but they are already have passed from those kind of a paths. So it's always better to watch long videos, and it's always better to watch you know big kind of a thing, or always good to read. Now means the good video, good books which can literally change your mind, okay? Because and reading will take time, and that's good, because that's what you have to build. you know Patience is good, is very good, is good kind of a good thing, or good medicine, I would say. Because we are this much impatient, we just want everything very quick. After even launching the iPhone, means this smartphone, we just want everything very soon, very quick, very quickly, very fast. And this made us very lazy also, I would say, and very smart also. Not just only one thing, it made us both the things. We are very smart also, we are but lazy also. So everything has the plus point also and the negative point also. There is nothing in this world which cannot have only one thing. The thing, the device, or the whatever that thing is, it must has both the thing, good thing also and the bad thing also. We cannot say that it has only one thing which is good and which is bad. Obviously there are some things in life which we don't have to do experiment, like rape, murder, stealing somebody's item. So these are the things we should never ever try this thing, because we also heard this thing, without even trying, how can you say that this is not for you? So I'm just answering for those questions. If there are something which you don't have to try, bro, which you don't have to try, people will tell you, and police officer will always also tell you that these are the things which happens in this career. If you really wanna make friend of that guy, so just go and build it. But does it really worth it? Does it really make sense for living in this society, or living in this life, or living like this life? Absolutely not. Because see, living life requires respect, mutual understanding in the society, and respect also. So these things are very important. If no one is respecting, and everybody else is disrespecting your character, your family members, you even also. So I think it's very hard to live in that situation or in that home, because we will always get thrown by these kind of a things, which I don't want to hear these things. And that's why I decided to live in Haryana. I live in Haryana. No, means I'm right now I'm feeling very tired. I'm feeling very tired. I just want to sleep, so that's why something is coming on in just flow. I'm just speaking anything, so please pardon me for that. So I was talking about yeah, that topic is completed. The topic is complete. Let's talk about something else. So everybody is saying that, especially old people say that you should try everything. You should have the experience of everything. And I say you're right also, and you're wrong also. See, for becoming best person, you don't have to be the best guy in that room. You just have to become that person who can acquire those kind of a things, who can know that what is the best, what is the most important thing for doing yourself, not by doing, and not by doing by other people. He should he or she he or she should know that what are the things are very important for me, and what are the things are not important for me. Because people are this much dumb that they say I will do everything. Of course you can do. There is no doubt that you can't do that. Of course you can do that. But the question is, will you become the best person, or will you become the good person in that? No, of course not. Okay. So you have to just understand both the things, which one is good and which one is. Huh?
इंग्लिश में बोलना जो वो बता रहे इंग्लिश में वो करती है अनुवाद कर
एक second. So if you see the best people, and what do I mean by the best people? Means the highly successful people or the highly mature people. So they do only those tasks which are most important for only for only him or herself. They are not doing every task. They can do every task, but they are not doing. They are hiring the people for delegating his or her task to them. They will do that, and the only one and two tasks will be there for doing by him or herself, because they know that what are the most important part for doing him by their self, and what are the least part if they can't do by by him or herself. So that's okay. They can delegate the task to somebody, uh, in the exchange of money, and yeah, that's it. They do these kind of things. So in order to become the highly successful people, you have to have team. You have to have good team, because at some point you can't do anything. You can't do everything. Okay, you can't do everything. You need to have the team. You need to have the people who will work with you, who will do their best to make the life which you want to live in the upcoming years, in the future life. So those are the only people which can make it happen in the real life. So I think you should have the good team. And how will you build it, the good team? You need to understand each and everything. You need to be the social person who can understand everybody's pain, everybody's situation, and give the best advice, and give the relatable advice. If you're kind of that person, so of course you will able to make friends easily, very easy, without having any trouble. Because this is the skill also. This is the art of making friends and making bond with any strange people. So this is also art. You have to just understand. You have to just learn it, this thing. And once you learned this thing, so now the second step becomes very easy. Now you are capable to handle the team, or the team pressure and the team expectation, because managing team is very different, and rather than hiring team. So I guess, yeah, I'll talk about on this same topic. I'll talk about more on this same topic in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring your life.